The gold supply chain begins with heavy extraction, moves to high-temperature refinement, before being secured in vaults and crafted into goods.
Why these foundries stay secret?
As the temperature climbs past 1,000 degrees Celsius, the crystalline structure fails, and the gold rapidly transforms into a mesmerizing liquid.
The trust placed in these bars stems from their unwavering purity and the rigorous auditing process seen here.
Gold bars must meet strict global standards to ensure their value and tradability across international markets.
Precision engineering is all about accuracy. As you can see with this CNC mill, we can achieve incredible detail, right down to the micron level.
Why gold bars look boring by design. They are purely functional assets, standardized for trade rather than aesthetic appeal. Gold bars look boring by design because their primary function is simply to store wealth efficiently in a secure vault like this.
The rating is stable at 10.00000. Is the environment logged?
Confirmed. Temperature and humidity are within tolerance.
If we cross-reference the projected metrics with the physical data, the pattern holds true.
Agreed. The system is stable. Let's proceed with the deployment phase.
Shipment 48, cleared for transport. Confirm manifest upon arrival.
The reason these bars are not polished is because the rough, grainy texture, often called a cooling crust, is required for good delivery certification.